Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a makeup product review for you guys on the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick. I recently got this product in my makeup collection and I really wanted to do a dedicated video on this just because I've never tried Lucky Chick before and I really wanted to test it out on camera, share my honest thoughts and my first impressions with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try this product out and share my honest thoughts with you guys, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I want to do is prep my lips, so I'm going in with some lip oil. This is the Essence Hydra Kiss lip oil. Next up I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I recently got this stuff in a sample size and I've honestly really been liking it. It's super hydrating and moisturizing and I like that it's like a thicker consistency, but it doesn't feel heavy on the face. I love to make sure to concentrate the face cream under the eyes as well just to prep them. Next up, we're priming with the Milk Hydro Grip. I like to concentrate this on my T-zone, which is my problem area, but I'll also kind of buff it out onto the rest of the face as well. And just for some extra hydration, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Next up, I want to color correct. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Color Corrector, and this is the orange shade. This is gonna help tackle any darkness on the face, any acne scarring, and you really don't need too much product. A little goes a long way. I love how affordable this product is, you guys. It's really not too expensive, but it does a wonderful job, and I feel like it's really comparable to some high-end color correctors that I've loved and used in the past. Alright, color correcting is all done. Next up, I need to go in with my base product, and today I want to go in with the Merit Minimalist. I absolutely love this skin product, you guys, because it can be used for concealer, it can be used for foundation. It's super versatile. It can be used for whatever you want it to be. I find this stuff blends really effortlessly as well, and it's buildable, so I love that. It's good for a no makeup day, and it's also good to get a good full coverage look as well if that's what you want. Base is all done, and tell me the base doesn't look flawless, you guys. I absolutely love the Merit Minimalist. If you guys want to check them out, make sure to check out the link down below in the description box. I absolutely love Merit. We're gonna go in and cream contour the face now with the Huda Beauty Tantour, and I like to use the shade Light. I'm gonna add just a little bit on these sides of the nose, and it's okay if I put too much product because we're gonna do like a reverse nose contour with concealer later. So for now, I'm just adding the shadow onto the nose, and then we'll work on carving out the nose later on. Alright, you guys, time to jump into the product that we're going to be reviewing today, and I have here the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick. So I'm on their website real quick just because I want to read up about this product before we actually give it a try. So I've never tried Lucky Chick before. This is my first time and I'm really excited to see how I like it. So I'm on the Lucky Chick website, and these actually retail for $20, so it's kind of like a midpoint pricing. It says here that this is an ultra lightweight formula that glides onto the skin like a dream and melts in for a long-lasting radiant flush of pink color. Wow, you guys, do you see this marble effect? This is absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen a stick product like this before. I can't wait to see how it performs. I think I'm gonna go directly on to the cheeks and just apply the product. Wow, that's a gorgeous color, and I'm just gonna blend it out and see how I like that. That is super pretty. I love the shade. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the product on my sponge just to see how I like that instead, just because I feel like going in directly onto the face sometimes moves the base product around, so I just want to make sure we have nice coverage, but I really like this color. I want to try going in with the product with my beauty sponge instead of going in directly onto the face to see if I like that more. Oh yeah, I think I like applying cream blush like this more. I feel like I have more control. This also is a beautiful way to apply the product. This is a gorgeous color. I really like it, and I like how easily it's layering as well. You can see on this side it looks a lot deeper because I layered, and then on this side it looks a little bit lighter, so you can really build up the color as you please. Gonna add some on the nose as well as the chin. You guys know the drill. This probably looks like a lot of blush to you, but you're gonna see in just a second when I use concealer to clean it up, it's not gonna look so intense. But honestly, I absolutely love this color, and I love the consistency of this product. Super creamy, super easy to work with, super blendable and buildable. I think this is a wonderful product. I'm excited to try this product out on my lips later on in the video because it is a lip and cheek stick. So we're gonna quickly conceal the face just to clean the face up. So I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna blend this out and clean up the blush and the contour on the face, and then we'll set everything in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. Just quickly cleaning up the contour by concealing the nose and just sharpening out the nose more with the setting powder. I'm going to set around my mouth just for some brightening. Just cleaning up the contour with setting powder as well. So I let the setting powder sit for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna take my brush, it's a clean brush, and I'm just going to wipe away the setting powder because it's done doing its thing. And with whatever excess powder I have, I'm just going to subtly set the cheeks in place. Nothing too crazy with whatever excess product we have, just because we wanna make sure we set our cream products. And I'm also just going to set my lids as well. I absolutely love how my cheeks are looking, you guys, and you can see it doesn't look so crazy anymore. It looks really nice and soft and subtle. I absolutely love the product so far. So let's quickly finish up the base with some highlight. I have the Wander Beauty highlight in After Hours. Going to quickly fill in my brows with the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I like to use the shade 4. Alright you guys, so I quickly went off camera and I did my eyes. I went in with the LYS Lash Confidence Mascara, and I also went in with the CHULA Beauty Black Eyeliner. I honestly love this eyeliner and this mascara, so good you guys. If you want to see detailed reviews of both of these products, I'll have those videos linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I'm quickly taking this brown shade from the ABH Soft Glam 2 palette, and I just want to dust this brown onto the lower lash line. I just want to add a little bit more definition to the lower lash line, and I just want to clean it up a little bit. Time to use this product as a lip product. So first off, I want to line my lips with the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Chestnut. Alright, time to go in with this product on the lips. Let's see how it performs. Okay, not bad on the lips. It definitely looks like a pinky nude on the lips, and I think it looks pretty. I like how it pairs well with the cheeks. In terms of how it feels on the lips, it's super creamy, you guys, super hydrating, and you can see my lips don't look dry at all, and the pigment is also really nice, and we know that from our experience on the cheeks, so I think this is really pretty. I do want to swatch the product on my hand just so you guys can get an idea of the color. So you can see it's a really nice light pink against my skin tone. If I kiss my hand, you can see it does transfer a lot, but I mean there's still product there. It didn't completely disappear, so that's nice. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup product review on the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Stick. Overall, I'm honestly a fan, you guys. I really like how this product performs. I like how it's super creamy and lightweight. It was really easy to work with on the cheeks for blush, and of course you guys saw it was really easy on the lips. It looks super nice and moisturizing on the lips. It doesn't look drying. There's beautiful pigment. I really like it. The price range is not too bad. For $20, you're getting a versatile product which you could use for two things, not only for blush but also lipstick. So I definitely love that aspect of this product. I love the marble effect as well. I think that's so cool. I've never seen a product like this before, so that's super fun. My experience with this product definitely makes me want to try more Lucky Chick products, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys have heard of this brand, if you tried them out, and what your experience was. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.